Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Make sure Android and the TikTok app are up to date, because versions often change notification behavior. Once done, open your phone settings and go straight to Apps right arrow TikTok right arrow notifications and toggle them on for all channels. Next, turn off battery optimization for TikTok and enable background data so the app can run in the background and receive push messages reliably. These steps remove common blockers before deeper fixes. Now you'll clear local data and reset what matters. Open Settings right arrow Apps right arrow TikTok right arrow Storage and clear the cache. If notifications still fail, clear storage but backup drafts first. After clearing, go into TikTok's internal settings and check each notification channel. Toggle them off then on to re-register them with Android. Also reset app preferences in system settings if available. And confirm the app has all required permissions, so push tokens and channels can finish by reinstalling TikTok. Uninstall, reboot the phone, then reinstall from Play Store and sign in. This refreshes push tokens. After reinstall, send a test push or ask a friend to mention you. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off and system notification priority for TikTok is normal. If notifications still don't show, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference or test with another account or device. If that fails, one key tip is to check carrier or router-level blocking of push services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.